What's up guys, Zach here with Workout Anytime. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how you use our sprint trainer, which is essentially just a treadmill powered by you, so there's no motor. So it's a great way to add some intensity to your cardio if you really like the treadmill. It's perfect for HIIT because you can do some really cool things with it that I'm going to demonstrate for you. So essentially, again, it's powered by you. You can adjust the resistance to make it harder or easier with these levers here on the side. All you want to do is start walking. And again, you can do some different things with it to make it a HIIT workout. The first of which is make it feel as if you're pushing a sled. So in order to do that, the adjustment for the sled is over here on the left. So I'm going to increase that a little bit, and then I'll lean forward. And now it's as if I'm pushing a sled uphill. Another alternative is you can make it feel as if you're pulling a parachute when you're sprinting. So it comes equipped with this belt, which you put around your waist. From there, you're going to latch the belt around these two back here, and you'll be able to run, and it'll feel as if it's pulling you back, and you have a resistance band on you. So that's our sprint trainer. If you ever want shown how to use it in the club, definitely grab us. We're happy to help. And yeah, have a great day.